Hi everyone, I'm Jill Duffy, Chief Executive of OCR. As we approach the end of term, I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a relaxing break this holiday season. Another year has flown by and I've enjoyed going out to meet many of you in schools and colleges. Witnessing firsthand the passion and adaptability of our dedicated teachers and exams officers is truly inspirational. And I know how hard you've worked to get yourselves and your students ready for exams and results this year. A huge thank you for everything you continue to do for your students. Looking forward to 2024, our dedicated team will be ready to support you as you begin preparing for the summer series. We're committed to providing the information and resources you need when you need them. As we head into the revision period next term, we'll be sharing a series of brand new video resources over on Instagram, which will include subject-specific revision tips for your students. So on behalf of the whole team here at OCR, enjoy your well-deserved holiday season when it comes. We're all looking forward to continuing to support you in the new year.